Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have this other colorway of the FARAH Pressed Pigment Duos. This one's in the shades Bloom and Wildflower. So I actually got 3 different color versions of this in Ipsy this month, but they're so cute, so I'm not too mad at it. This is one that I actually redeemed Ipsy points to get. So I purposely chose this and another colorway with my points because I love trying out little eyeshadow duos, and they really got me with this beautiful packaging. So this is cruelty-free, vegan, and I really liked the formulas on the other one that I tried out a few days ago. And this one here looks pretty. These are both, I think, matte shades. You know what, let's just go ahead and swatch them and find out. The purple looked like it might have a little sheen, but no, I guess it's overall matte. And then you've got this pretty light pink. And so, very nice pigment to these swatches, a nice soft formula. And I just love these shades. Like, these are just 2 of my favorite colors in general. So I'm excited to play around with these and create a little eyeshadow look. I noticed the purple is kind of staining my fingers. I'm trying to wash it off. But so whenever I try out eyeshadows, I try them out with and without an eyeshadow primer. And I'm almost always using this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. It works really well for me. So I just blend this all over my lid, lash line to brow bone. So I'm pretty excited about this little light pink shade to be an all over the lid shade. A little bit of kickback. But so just with a fluffy brush, I'm going to dust this light pink all over the lid. I like to take a light shade to set my primer or just prep the lid, cancel out discoloration, and this seems to be doing just that. So especially if I'm going to be doing more of like a pinky look or just a look that maybe is a little darker, I think this is going to be a great base. I mean, I love to wear pink, but I don't wear pink eyeshadows too much. But this is an easy, approachable way for me to incorporate some pink into my eyeshadow look. And so it looks really cute. Shows up decent pigment. I just feel like it's a really cute shade. But then I'm excited to pick up this purple shade and maybe focus this into that outer V. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. That actually looks so pretty on top of the pink. They look so good together. And I'm going to use this to just add a little bit more dimension to the eye, going into the crease, down the lower lash line a little bit. You know, I made it this far in the crease. Just going to bring it all the way into the crease, but also this outer corner because I like to try and lift my eye shape by focusing a darker shade there. You can see like how that visually lifted this eye compared to that eye. Actually, I'm loving this brush for this little duo. This is the brush that comes in the Urban Decay eyeshadow palettes. It has this little version of the brush on the end. So I'm going to pick up a little bit of the purple on this and bring it along this lower lash line. So adding this purple, I feel like just took the eye look from easy, minimal daytime to like glam, nighttime look, but I love it. And even just this eyeshadow look alone, I'm so tempted to want to add shimmer to it, like especially on the center or the inner corner, but this looks actually so pretty. So this is seriously just a little 2-color eyeshadow palette that can transition you so quickly and easily from a day to night look. Oh wow, definitely noticing a difference though with the primer versus without it. Just not showing up quite as pigmented at first, but let's see if I am able to build it up, which it is buildable and super easy to blend, as you can see. I really am liking these FARAH eyeshadow formulas, and these colors are just some of my favorite colors. Like I was saying, these shades make me happy. This purple is so fun and pretty. I love this. But still, I think a little less pigment on the eye without the primer. But I always like to use a primer when I wear my eyeshadows. I have a lot of creases in my lids, so I try and make it a habit to always wear eyeshadow primer. But love this purple on the lower lash line as well. I'm just loving this. This eyeshadow look was so easy, but it looks so pretty and fun and festive. So I'm glad that I have this, and I still have one more to try, which I'm even more excited to try out now. So if you have any of these little FARAH eyeshadow duos, let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.